I love working in Web3, but I used to spend hours searching for information through docs and forums and chats. Then I found Peeranha. It's a simple tool I can rely on to get the information I need quickly and easily. It puts all the relevant knowledge in one place. Discussions, important solutions, tutorials, everything I need. It even pays me for my contributions. All I have to do is ask a question, and people in the community all over the world will get notified. Peeranha works with Telegram, Discord, and Slack to bring me the info that I need right when I need it. And it's auto-translated to multiple languages. I can even set up an auto-reply bot. And if you want to start your own community's Q&A on Peeranha, they'll build it all according to your brand guide and on your domain. They'll even organize your whole knowledge library for you. The best part? The whole protocol is decentralized, with on-chain reputation and user rewards. It's still hard to explore new technologies, but with Peeranha, I can do it much faster.